You probably have heard about Shark's high-quality vacuums, but they also make other types of products. Shark entered the air purifier market a while ago with some decent high-quality devices, and they have already made a significant impact. This time, we'll review, analyze, and test the Shark HP102 air purifier. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Like most air purifiers we've tested so far, the Shark HP102 requires some preparation before its first use. To begin with, you need to unpack the device from its shipping box. Then prepare the filter by pulling it out from the air purifier, removing the plastic wrap, and putting it back inside the device. After this, your air purifier is ready to use. Place it in the desired location, ensuring it's at least 3 inches away from walls or other objects. Plug it in and turn it on. At first glance, this air purifier seems like a typical cylindrical device commonly seen amongst most small to medium-sized air purifiers. However, Shark has integrated some innovative features, high-quality materials, and details that make it more attractive than similar air purifiers. The unit we purchased for our testing purposes is white, but a black version is also available. The build quality is excellent, as is the quality of the plastic. One potential drawback is the lack of carrying handles. Regarding the design, in general, we find it quite appealing and are sure it will fit into almost any ambiance. Even though the Shark HP102 doesn't have a smart app, it still has plenty of features worth mentioning. The ones we like the most are an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, high quality display, and auto mode. This air purifier uses a high quality air quality sensor that detects PM1, PM2.5, and PM10 particulate matter. It works in combination with some other features, so you can see the real-time air quality data anytime through the display on the front. By pressing the Air Info button, you can switch between 5 different air quality data types to be shown on the display. Additionally, the CleanSense IQ air quality sensor also works with the auto mode, which adjusts the fan speed based on the current air quality in the room. Apart from these features, there are also brightness, timer, and filter life features. You can find a more detailed explanation of the Shark HP102 features at airpurifierfirst.com. The Shark HP102 is characterized by a cylindrical shape, with air inlets on the device's bottom. It draws in air through these openings, which is then filtered and exits through the grills on the top. This small air purifier covers rooms of up to 124 square feet. In a room of the mentioned size, it will clean the air 4.8 times in 1 hour. On the Shark HP102 air purifier's presentation page, you will see that they recommend using it in 500 square foot rooms, and yes, it can clean the air in such a room, but with an ACH of just 1, which is not enough. And by the way, the industry standard for ACH is 4.8. The filtration technology is where things start to get interesting. The Shark HP102 uses a 3-stage filtration technology consisting of a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. The pre-filter is the first layer of filtration, and its purpose is to capture large particles and prolong the HEPA filter's life. The second filtration stage is the activated carbon filter, which is pellet-based, and its primary function is to capture cooking and other odors, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and formaldehyde. The last filtration stage is the true HEPA filter, which removes 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns in size. This filter will remove particles such as dust, cigarette and wildfire smoke particulate, mold spores, and more. However, Shark states on their product pages that their HEPA filter removes 99.98% of particles based on IEST-RP-CC007.3 tests, as small as 0.1 to 0.2 microns. We contacted Shark to get confirmation of these tests, but haven't received any response, so we can't confirm this information. The filter is hollow through the middle and placed inside the device's bottom part. Overall, this is a high-quality filter, which is proven in our performance tests that you'll see later in the video. You can also find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. The Shark HP102 doesn't use a washable filter, so you have to replace it from time to time. The manufacturer suggests replacing the filter between 6 and 12 months. But we suggest doing it even sooner if you notice it's clogged and/or producing unpleasant smells. The procedure for replacing the filter is straightforward and requires no more than 10 minutes of your time. First, you have to unplug the device, turn it upside down, and remove the cover on the bottom. Next, pull out the old filter and dispose of it properly. After that, it would be a good idea to vacuum inside the device and around the air inlets for any residual dust. Once you complete this step, you are ready to unpack and place a new filter inside. Next, put everything back as it was, and then you're ready for the last step, which is resetting the filter life indicator by holding your finger on the filter life button for about 3 seconds. The noise testing procedure was easy, as the Shark HP102 has only 4 fan speeds. We used a special noise measurement tool to test its noise levels at all speeds separately. At first speed, the Shark HP102 produces a sound of 41.7 dBA. At the second speed, it produces a sound of 44.8 dBA. At the third speed, it produces a sound of 48.9 dBA. While at the max speed, it produces a sound of 56.5 dBA. It's generally a very quiet air purifier, and you can easily use it in a room such as a bedroom, even though it doesn't have a sleep mode. In this class of air purifiers, many devices have well-optimized motors, and the situation is the same for the Shark HP102 with its 24-watt motor. Thanks to its well-optimized motor, the air purifier consumes only 20.5 watts at the maximum speed. If you were to leave this device running at its max speed for 24 hours daily, it would raise your electric bill by about $1.80 per month, which is not a significant cost. However, there is a cost of a replacement filter, which is much more expensive compared to the replacement filters of other air purifiers in the class we tested. Additionally, its power to CADR ratio is a bit lower, and we believe it could have a slightly larger airflow for the power it consumes. In conclusion, we can say that the Shark HP102 is not as affordable for annual maintenance compared to other options in its class. The Shark HP102 is intended for small rooms such as small bedrooms, kids' rooms, offices, and similar spaces. We exposed this small air purifier to 2 tests in relatively small rooms. In the first test, in a room of 120 square feet, this air purifier produced great results, improving the overall air quality by about 94% while operating at the maximum speed for 60 minutes. In the second test, which we performed in a slightly larger room of 194 square feet, the Shark HP102 also performed well. Within just 60 minutes, working at the max speed, it improved the air quality by about 92%. These incredible results demonstrate that the Shark HP102 is an excellent air purifier. The only drawback we noticed is its small room coverage and relatively low airflow. In the following seconds, you'll see how much time is needed for the Shark to remove all the smoke from the glass box. The Shark HP102 is a portable, innovative, and overall well-made air purifier. It covers rooms of up to 124 square feet with 4.8 air changes per hour, has some really great features, and achieved amazing results in our performance tests. Additionally, it's a very quiet air purifier. However, its maintenance is a bit more expensive than the competitors' air purifiers, and it lacks a smart app feature. Apart from these points, we haven't found any other significant disadvantages. So if you like the Shark HP102, go for it. You'll get a fantastic air purifier, but just be prepared that it's suitable for small rooms, and the price for a replacement filter is probably higher than you expect. If you have any questions about this air purifier, please comment below the video. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.